His birth and His death at the cross, ginawa ho tayong karapat-dapat, kaya tayo ligtas. Kung tinanggap mo si Jesus Christ bilang Panginoon at tagapagligtas mo. Romans 10, if you declare with your mouth, Jesus is Lord, that is Kairos, that is Yahweh, and believe in your heart, God is raised Him from the dead, you will be saved.